Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the most effective way to not only clean, but maintain and refinish the Osmo concrete oil. Let's get to work. We all like to keep our homes clean and tidy. It's really something to be proud of. But regular household cleaners should be avoided as this could potentially damage the concrete finish. As well, acidic liquids should be removed as soon as possible to avoid damage to the surface. Thankfully, Osmo have a solution for your day-to-day cleaning routine in the shape of the Osmo Spray Cleaner. It's a ready-to-use water-based cleaner for Osmo oils, even the concrete oil. And it has an added bonus: it smells great. To use it, start by removing any dust, dirt and grit from the surface with a soft, dry, lint-free or microfiber cloth before spraying. Turn the nozzle and spray directly onto the surface, being careful not to oversaturate. Then wipe with a clean, lint-free cotton or microfiber cloth. Repeat the process until clean. That's how easy maintaining the Osmo concrete oil is. As we all know, nothing lasts forever. With day-to-day wear, the finish does take a beating. Have no fear, it's really easy to fix wear. Just apply a small amount of concrete oil onto a brush, work into the affected area and wipe off any excess. Simple, right? If your finish has been on the surface for 2 or more years, we would recommend refinishing. Ensure that the surfaces to be coated are clean, dry and free from dust, dirt and any other surface contaminant. Then simply take your concrete oil and your chosen applicator and follow the steps in our application video. If you are seeking further technical assistance or advice on this project, why not put us to the test and give us a call or email? We are the experts after all. All the products mentioned in this video are linked in the description on YouTube. Like what you've seen? Don't forget to like and subscribe for all future content. And remember, always do a test area.